Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nano Learn, Learning Made Easy. The topic for today's session is testing and software testing. The topics for the session are what is testing and software testing. What is testing process? It is a process of executing a system with the intent of finding defects in it. In this case, the system can be a software application, hardware device, or a manufactured product. Then what is software testing? It is a testing process that helps to identify correctness, completeness, quality, and security of a developed computer software. Let me justify my statement. Correctness. The correctness which indicates that the developed software should correctly perform all its actions based on the requirements given by the customer, and completeness. The developed software should meet all the business and system requirements. When I say system requirements, should involve both the functional and non-functional requirements. Quality, the developed software should be of high quality without any defects in it. And finally, the security, the developed software should not be allowed to be accessed by unintended or unauthorized users. Overall, if we define a testing process that helps to identify all these four attributes in it, for testing a developed computer software, then such process is defined as software testing process. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Have a good day.